Hello, my name is Lady Dagamon Vidal. I'm 21 years of age, residing at Purok 1 San Isidro, Lianga, Surigao del Sur, and I am looking for a position as a teller at Enterprise Bank. Currently, I am completing my college years as a degree holder at Surigao del Sur State University, Lianga campus, studying at Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. I have an educational background having attending seminar. For the last year, I worked summer internship in my job trainee at Lianga, Surigao del Sur. During that time, I gained a valuable experience, and I also gather more knowledge and get some information regarding in financial management. Along my quantitative skills, my work experience to me to work as a part of a term, my ability to work well with people in other departments was individual and fully together. I have also skills in my education and work experience in will provide immediate value and can help more progress to your company. I am excited to be launching my full-time career and guarantee that you won't regret making the decision to hire me. You may call my mobile number 0930-1767-061, or you can see my email vidalini@yahoo.com. I would love the opportunity to learn more about your specific needs and discuss my qualification in greater detail. Thank you for taking the time to view my resume.